What you doing?
Have you ever tried putting a puzzle together?
Hi, baby. Oliver. Say hi. Is that Oliver? Say hi. Who is that? Is that Oliver? What you doing? You want to play? Oliver, good boy? Is that funny? Oliver, what happened? Oh! What happened? What happened? What are you doing? Uh-oh. What are you doing? What are you doing? That's... Oliver, you're cracking me up. Is that what you want to do today? It is funny. You're silly. You're a silly boy. You mama silly boy? Yes. What happened? Oh, what happened? Is this the game today? Oliver? Yeah, you're funny. You're a funny boy. You're a funny boy. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. What happened? What happened? Oliver? Come on. Step up. Thank you. I love you too, baby. Seriously, you want to play that game again?